Going to the park. Every weekend, I love going to the park with my family. The park is just a short walk from my house, and it's a place where I can relax and enjoy nature. I like to bring my bike or skateboard and ride around the playground. Sometimes, I play soccer or fly a kite with my little brother. The best part is when we have a picnic under a big tree. My mom always packs sandwiches, fruit, and snacks. After we eat, I like to walk around the park, looking at the flowers, birds, and trees. Sometimes, we spot squirrels or rabbits hopping around. The fresh air and wide open space make me feel free and happy. Going to the park helps me get exercise and relax at the same time. After a few hours of fun, we pack up and head home, feeling refreshed and ready for the rest of the day. The park is the perfect place to unwind, enjoy nature, and spend quality time with my family. I always look forward to our visits because I can be outside, enjoy the sunshine, and explore new areas of the park. Sometimes, we even bring along a ball to play with or a frisbee to throw around. I think going to the park is one of the best activities because it's not just about playing, it's also about being with the people I love and appreciating the beauty of the outdoors. After a long day of playing, I feel happy and peaceful, and I can't wait to return the next weekend.